Hello, so I'm gonna tell you how to upload the file, display the file, and how to edit it. File means it is of PDF or image, or you can upload a video as well as you can display the video. So we'll do it now. See, right now I have already created the file that is index.html. In that nothing is there, that is created. This is a file folder. In that I have created this index and app.py is there, which already I have written this code. So that is the basic code which you already know. Next is the static. So that is the previous one, that is CK editor. Just ignore it. I'll just remove that CK editor. Okay, move to thrash. So right now I'm not telling about this CK editor, everything which is already I have explained it. So now I'll move to the file, uploading the file. So to upload the file, what you have to do, first you have to create a HTML form which you already know, index.html. In it just you have to type HTML, and here you have to go, you have to type form here. Okay, so I'll remove this index. Next what I'll do, I'll just type here input, that is the text, and here input, that is the text. Here what you do, you put a para so that it will come one by one, means what, one below one the input will display in the HTML that is in the website. So now what I have done, I have just created like this. Next what I'll do, instead of text you have to put here a file and save the file, and here you have to put the upload. Okay, so upload, sorry, input type is submit, not upload, submit. And in value you can put submit or upload, it depends on you. Okay, now so now I have created input type as a file, and here the most important thing is, don't just forget to type this enc type, that is multi-part form data. So this I have done. Now I'll save this file. So after saving this file, what I have to do, I'll move to the app.py and I'll run the page. So this code is, everything is already done. I'm rendering this template, that is index.html. So now I'll move to the this command prompt, cmd. So cd slash cd. Okay, so I just forgot it. It's cd users my desktop. The file is in a desktop. Cd file name is file. Okay, so app.py. So when you run this file, you just check. So it is now executed. Just a minute, we'll move and just we'll check it. Okay, so now I'll move it, type 127. So it will show you the choose file, that is input one. So I'll select like this, any file. I'll just select this, what is that, Android program 1 3 whatever it is, and I'll select, click on the open Android program 3 PDF file. So when I click on this submit, what it has to do, it has to go to the database. So to do that, what I'll do, I'll just create a database. I'll just go here, just I haven't I'll move to the XAMPP control panel. In that, Apache and MySQL is there. I need to on that both. This one, start and start. So when I on this both, here you have to click on this MySQL. So automatically it will move to the localhost php myadmin. Sometimes the port number will be changed. You have to check up in the error log and that everywhere. So what I'll do, I'll create one this new file. I'll just type here files, files, the database which I have created, that is the file, and I'll put here the table as information or info, and here I'll give only it's okay too. We'll do one thing, we'll put a 3. One is file name, and so now it has been created. I'll just put here id, and here it is the int which is of 20. Next I'll create the auto increment. Go here, you have to put the name varchar 200, and here I'll just write here file file, and here it is of varchar, and same thing I'll put 200. Don't make any changes, save the file. Okay, so after saving the file, it's now id, name and file is there here. So whenever I put the file, one more thing, what I'll do, I'll create the name also here. File is there, first I'll put input text placeholder, enter file name, something like that, something like different. Okay, just given a name just for a demo purpose. Okay, so one is the text file, one is the input type is file, and another is the submit. So when I submit it, it has to directly move to the this one here, the data has to move to this area. Okay, so now I have created this. Next what I'll do, I'll go here. Okay, so here I'll just create my, have imported my SQL.connector. So now I'll do MySQL DB is equals to, I'll connect the database as well as Python programming code. MySQL dot connector dot connect, in the bracket host is equals to localhost and user is equals to root, password is equals to minus admin. Next database is equals to what is the database name here which I had given, it's the files, files. So right now I have created. Now what I'll do here, so this thing to importing, I'll do that in next video. Only just I have connected the database, and we'll move to the next video, and we'll create the connection, how to put the file and everything. I'll explain you in the next video. So whenever you choose, that is the example. So whenever you choose the file here, select the file. I'll just 1 second, I'll just run you and show this. So I'll come outside, I'll run it once again, I'll go here and I'll press enter. So here it will ask enter file name, choose file, and after that submit. So when I submit it, that it has to go to the database. Okay, so we'll do this in the next video. Thank you.